Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Before I delve into this video, I want to say hi to Wadimaya for always promoting Africa. Please subscribe to his channel and share his content. So today I'm going to make this delicious turmeric rice by using Ghana rice. I have some chopped onions, my salt here, turmeric. I also have carrots and I have my red and yellow bell peppers. I also have my bay leaf and green chili pepper and some 2 eggs, and this is the ultimate rice. This is produced in Ghana. We have a lot of locally produced rice, so our locally produced foods deserves better presentation. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'll use this our locally produced rice to let it come out so beautifully and delicious. So I start by washing the rice. Can you believe the water is plain? Remember initially whenever you buy this locally produced rice and you wash it, the color was something else. But now things are changing in Africa, in Ghana. When they produce this rice, they go through certain processes to keep it clean. So just look at this and compare to the previous times, and there are no stones in it. So the only thing you need to do is to wash it. So in my pan here, I'm adding some little oil, and I'll add some of the chopped onions into it. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. So I'm adding the onions, and afterwards I'll add other ingredients. So I just give it a quick stir, and for a minute I will be adding my green chili pepper and my bay leaf, and this will give it a very nice flavor. Our locally produced rice are less expensive and nutritious. So now I'll just add some of the turmeric powder and also some salt. Then I'll stir it again, and after a minute I'll be adding 1 cup of water so that I'll get to the next step. I reside in the northern part of Ghana, that is Tamale, and we have a whole lot of quality rice. So if you want some, you can come to Tamale and buy, and you won't regret using it to make delicious meals. So now I have covered my saucepan. Now that the water is boiling, I'll just add my washed rice. I'll give it a stir, then I'll cover it for about 10 minutes before I open it again. Remember that I still have some of my onions, carrots, and also red and yellow bell pepper and my eggs. So after 10 minutes, I just open this to check. I'll flip it over. Then I'll quickly add my carrots into it. I love carrots, so that is why they are in. I've added my yellow and red bell pepper and some onions. I'll stir this together so that every portion is mixed with the vegetables. Let's try to promote Africa by always presenting it in a positive way. Turmeric rice, most people usually prefer to use the white rice, and you can use your locally produced rice. So now I'm just beating the eggs, and I'll gently pour it on top of the rice. After adding, I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes before I then open it again. So this is how it is now. I'll flip it over so that the top part can get the heat and harden up a bit. So at this point, I'll scramble the eggs so that it mixes thoroughly with my turmeric or curry rice. Have you seen how colorful, beautiful this is? The taste is so great, and I know after watching this video, you will make some for your family. So now I'm done mixing, and I'll switch off my flame. It is now time for me to serve my curry rice. See how beautiful and attractive this is. I bet you the taste is so nice. So you can pair this with any sauce that you have, but I'll be pairing it with my green chili sauce. I have a video on how I made this green chili sauce, and I'll leave the link in the description box. You can go there to click on the link so that you can watch it. I'm enjoying my rice, and I hope you have enjoyed your stay here. I'll be glad to see you next time on this channel. Have a nice day. Bye.